My past failures speak English felt very painful. Nobody wants bad pronunciation. I can verify that in fact, persistent pronunciation problems are very, very bad. They feel very disturbing. Perhaps that's why I feel fantastic now. My voice is very powerful. Every time I speak, I vibrate my lips and throat when saying B and V sounds. My pronunciation power is improving fast. My skills going up and up. I believe I believe. I am developing my ability rapidly. I believe the past is forever. The present is fabulous and the future is very bright. I'm patiently persistent as I develop this very valuable ability of fantastic pronunciation.